morning students, welcome to our online video class. This is 10th standard chemistry unit 10 types of chemical reaction. In this video I am explaining what are the types of chemical reactions present in this lesson. Let's learn about types of chemical reaction. Classification based on the nature, rearrangement of atoms. Classification based on the rearrangement of atoms. This type of chemical reaction based on the nature of rearrangement of atoms. As for you, studies about chemical reactions and how it can be described as a chemical equation. A large number of chemical reactions takes place around us everyday life. Are they taking place in a similar way? No. All the chemical reactions takes place in a similar way? No. Each reaction involves different kind of atoms, hence the way of reactions also differ. The very way of reacts also differ. Thus, based on the manner which the atoms of reactants are rearranged. Chemical reactions are classified into follows. The first reaction is combination reaction. This is based on what type? This classification based on rearrangement of atom, nature of rearrangement of atom. The first type is combination reaction. What is combination reaction? Combination reaction is a reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form a compound. Two or more reactants combine to form a compound. This reaction is called combination reaction. This combination reaction otherwise called synthesis reaction and composition reaction. When reactant A combined with reactant B. A and B are the reactants. The reactants are present in left side of the arrow mark. A is the one of the reactant and B is the one of the another reactant. Both reactants combine to form a product. The product present in a right side of the arrow mark. A, B combine to form a product AB. A combined with B to form a AB product. Generalized scheme of the combination reactions as the following reaction. This is schematic form of the combination reaction. A plus B gives AB. A and B is the reactant molecules. These reactant molecules combine to form a product. The product formula is AB. What is combination reaction? Two or more reactants combine to form a compound. This is combination reaction. This combination reaction otherwise said to be synthesis reaction and composition reaction. Let's see example of combination reaction. The first example, hydrogen gas combined with chlorine gas. What is the formula? Hydrogen gas H2, gaseous substance. So the subscript present in G. Chlorine gas formula Cl2. This is also gaseous substance. The subscript, the bracket contains gaseous form. So H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl. This is hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride also which physical states gaseous substance. So hydrogen gas, chlorine gas, hydrogen chloride gas are present in gaseous form. H2 is the one of the reactant. Cl2 is the one of the reactant. Both reactant combine to form a compound. Compound formula HCl. Depending on a chemical nature of the reactants, there are three class of combination reactions. So combination reaction further classified into depending of a chemical nature of the reactant. So classified into three types. One is element gives compound reaction. Element plus element gives compound. So in this combination reaction, two element react with to form two reactant. Two elements react with one another to form a compound. Two element combine to form a compound. Two element react with another to form a compound. This reaction may take between metal and non-metal or both metal. The element may be present in metal or non-metal or both metals. So this is combination reaction classification. First classification is element plus element to form a compound. So two elements react with another to form a compound. First example of element plus element gives compound reaction is when solid sulfur react with oxygen. It's produce sulfur dioxide. Here both the reactants are non-metals. Non-metal. Sulfur symbol S, oxygen gas formula O2. Present in what state? Sulfur present in solid state. Hydrogen is a gaseous substance. So present in a subscript in GNS. Sulfur plus O2 gives SO2. The SO2 is one of the gaseous substance. So sulfur S and O2 are element. So both element combine to form a compound. The compound formula SO2. Another example, sodium. Sodium is a silvery white metal combined with chlorine. Chlorine is a pale yellow color gaseous substance to form a sodium chloride. This is one of the edible compound. Our everyday life using sodium chloride is one of the edible substance. Edible compound. Here one of the reactant is metal, another one is non-metal. Sodium is a metal, chlorine is a non-metal. Already said these reactions reacting between metal and non-metal are both non-metal. In this case, sodium is a metal, chlorine is a non-metal. The metal react with non-metal to form a compound. The sodium and chlorine is a element. To form a two element combine to form a compound. This is another example. The second type of combination reaction is compound plus elements gives compound. Compounds react with element to form a compound. This is another type of combination reaction. In this case, compound react with element to form a new compound. The compound react with another element to form a new compound. For instance, phosphorus trichloride react with chlorine gas. Phosphorus trichloride formula PCl3 reacting with chlorine gas. Chlorine gas formula Cl2. The PCl3 combined with Cl2 to form a PCl5. Phosphorus pentachloride. The phosphorus trichloride PCl3 is a compound reacting with chlorine gas. Cl2 is a element. The PCl3 compound and chlorine gas Cl2 is a element to form a PCl5. PCl5 is a compound. This is compound plus element to form a reaction to compound plus element react with each other to form a compound, to form a new compound. Already in this reaction old compound is available. What is the old compound formula? PCl3. The PCl3 is the old compound. The old compound react with the chlorine gas to form a new compound. What is the formula of new compound? PCl5. This is another type of combination reaction. The third type of combination reaction is compound plus compounds give compound. So two compound reacted to form a new compound. It is a reaction between two compounds to form a new compound. In a following reaction, silicon dioxide react with calcium oxide. The silicon dioxide and calcium oxide is a compound to form a calcium silicate. Calcium silicate also one of the compound. This is a new compound. SiO2 is a silicon dioxide react with calcium oxide. Calcium oxide formula CaO. Both are present in what state? Solid state. Two solid states are compound. The two compounds reaction reacting each other to form a new compound. New compound formula sodium silicate. The sodium silicate formula CaSiO3. So two compounds react each other to form a new compound. Most of the combination reactions are exothermic in nature. Exothermic reaction. Already we know what is the exothermic. Heat is released reaction. Heat is released reactions are called exothermic reaction. Heat absorbing reactions are called endothermic reaction. Because they involve the formation of new bonds. The formation of new bond means heat energy is released. Formation of new bond means heat is released. All heat released reactions are called exothermic reaction. Because they involve the formation of new bond which released huge amount of energy in forms of heat. Huge amount of energy in forms of heat energy. These are the types of combination reaction. What are the combination reaction? 3 depend on the nature of reacting molecules. There are 3 types of combination reaction. One is element plus elements gives compound type. Second one, compound plus element gives compound. Third one, compound plus compound gives compound. Let's see another type of chemical reaction is decomposition reaction. In a decomposition reaction, the single compound split into 2 or more simple substance under suitable condition. In a decomposition reaction, single compound split into 2 or more simple substance under suitable condition. It is a opposite reaction of combination reaction. This is opposite reaction of combination reaction. The general reaction is follow. AB is a compound. The AB compound A connected with B in a bond. The bond is broken. The single compound split into 2. That means A plus B. AB is a single compound. Single compound split into 2 simple substance. What are the 2 simple substance? A and B. A is a one simple substance. Another one simple substance is B. So AB bond broken to form a 2 simple substance. One is A, another one is B. The breaking of bond is major phenomena in a decomposition reaction. Breaking of bond is the major phenomena in a decomposition reaction. Hence it is require energy to break the bond. Depending on a nature of energy used in a decomposition reaction. The breaking of bond is major phenomena in a decomposition reaction. Hence it is require energy to break the bonds. Depend on a nature of energy used in the decomposition reaction. There are 3 main class of decomposition reactions are available. What are the 3 types of decomposition reaction? One is thermal decomposition reaction. Second one, electrical decomposition reaction. Third one, photo decomposition reaction. Thermal means heat energy. In this reaction, the bond is broken using heat energy. Second one is electrolytic decomposition. What is the meaning of electrolytic? Electrical energy. Electrical energy used to do this reaction, the bond is broken. The third one is photo decomposition reaction. What is it means photo? Photo means light. Light is another form of energy. So light energy is used to decomposition reaction. So bond is broken. So thermal means heat energy. So heat energy used to decomposition reaction, the bond is broken. Second one, electrolytic means electrical energy is used to the chemical bond is broken. The third one is photo decomposition reaction. Photo means light. Using light energy, the bond is broken. So using different energy. What are the different energy? Heat energy, electrical energy, light energy. So using different energy, the single substance, single compound split into two or more simple substance. The single compound split into two or more simple substance under suitable condition. Under suitable condition. Dear students, note the assignment question. The first question, define decomposition reaction. The first three lines is the answer for define decomposition reaction. The second question, define combination reaction. Combination reaction. The first three lines answer for define combination reaction. Note the assignment question and learn today's topics. Thank you, students.